Hey, he's still fighting. Hey,
Hook up father and son. Ah, look at that. Oh, nice, nice.
ขวานะครับ
Double, double. Okay, okay. And now you fight. Oh my. Yeah. Let's stand by for you. Hey. Oh my God. My fight of your life. The biggest piece of your life. Oh, just you show. Just hold. Just hold. Just hold. Oh my God.
What is this?
Monster fish. Okay, come on. นี่นะเนี่ยเขาชอบเข้าต่อเวลานี้ Come on, come on, you do something. The father take over. Go. Okay, good. Oh yeah, okay.
Strong one.
Oh. Tag team. Oh. Why you want to go there? Big. Okay, be careful. You have to fall in the water. Oh, you no, có này mày. Big con á. Big coi. Okay. Yes. Come on, มีปลาอะไรอ่ะเฮ้ยทำไมไม่มีฟองน้ำcome เห็นแล้วอู้ครับโอ้ down open the bell. Oh, high five, go Will, high five. Yes, woo. Okay, see. Oh, okay, well done, guys. Okay, go push together. Okay, nice. Push. Follow him. Okay, now push. Like this, push. Oh, nice. Okay, now push. Push it. Okay, go, wash up. Hey, let's go, big fish. Yeah, content, video. Oh, yeah, big.
They still tell about the deal we have.
See?
Better than Gums there.
Yeah. So
it just got
no, you struggle, just hold. Must remember, the more he pull, he get tired because this is a drag, you see. So we want him to pull more, he get more tired. Yes. Up, move backward. Hold it. Okay, down. Guys, help him. Together. Oh, wait. Okay. Wait, together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, big one. Hey, guys. High five. Wait, well done. Hey. Yes. Okay, good. Oh. Up. Hold it. 2 hands. Hold it. Okay. Put down. We go now. Okay, help him. No, let him do. Let him do. Go. So you know. Go. Hey. No. Oh. So you know how heavy. So you see how heavy is your catch. Oh, big one. Real. Oh, up. Yes. Okay, move backward. Yeah. Bring up. Don't let go. Hold it. Don't let. Wait. Hold up. เอาหัวดีกว่าหังไอ้ yeah down okay one now open up there okay wait yeah good okay boy you moving you have to move yeah it's coming good yeah good keep it up doing well yes go okay Okay. Oh, you are lucky, you know. I didn't get monster. Oh, you see? Put up, two hand. Two hand, pull up. Okay, two hand. Review. Come. Come, pull. Oh, some more. Going. Review. Pull to the right. Okay, pump. Come on. Come again. To the right. You must see the fish. You see where he's going. Cannot now. Come, go forward. Oh. Two hand.
Oh my god.
Okay, one more time. Next one. Two hand. Move out. Oh, okay. Down. Open the bell. Okay, now okay. Big one. Whoa, big. Oh, almost 40. Big. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Push. You can. Push. Okay, go on. I told you the fight is in front. You move backward a bit. Let's get you fall down. Okay, go. Okay, come reel. All the way down. Reel all the way down. Reel. Wait. Hold it. Up. Reel. Hold it. Okay. Come. Okay, open the bell. Open. Yes. We be careful. Together. 1, 2, 3. Up. See. Okay. See. Pass it there. Okay, now push. Okay. Oh. B1. Oh, good one, good size. Oh, okay, up, turn, crank, towards, come backward, towards him, hold it, mình đồng quả lao, ba lao, okay, oh, he went down again. Oh, come on, again, stay. Yes, one more time, huh? This time. Up, one more time. Reel. Up. Okay, hold it. Down. Open the bell. Okay, heavy. Oh, big one. Wait. Oh. Wait. 1, 2. Oh my God. Oh, 50. Oh my God, the biggest. Really? Look at her. It's the biggest. Oh my God. Oh, well done. Go push. No, push. Oh, no, don't use the leg. Oh, no good. Huh? Bring it here. There we go, shelter. Up. Come on. You say the feet small. Up. Come on, up. Oh, shit. Control. Come. Go. Up. Two hand. Up. Again. Two hand. Up. Two hand. Yes. Hold on. Hold đi. Quên, qua ra. Mình có thịt to con này. Come on. Quanh. Ốc xùy đi. Mình có ốc xùy quay cho coi. Nhá khen hả? Up. Come on. Mình có thôi. Come on. Mình làm phục. Come on. I thought you said small.
I thought small.
You thought so? Come on.
It's small.
The fish say, respect me. I know you say I small. I see who is small. Come on, run. Up to end. Never mind. Okay. One more time. Up. เฮ้ยต่อไว้หรือเปล่า
Oh my god.
ฮะ You want to take over? Go, give, pass to him. You cannot. Come. To the right, not to high. To the right. Again. Turn the line. Big down. Big bigger. Okay. Yes. Come on. มีปลาอะไรอ่ะเฮ้ยทำไมไม่มีฟองน้ำcome เห็นแล้วครับ Oh down open the bell Oh high five for you high five Yes Okay See Oh Double hookup father and son Look at that Oh nice
ปลาขวานะครับ
Yes Hey be careful No I just want don't wear slipper you see Yeah I told you already It's okay
ขวายาวๆครับ
Pump pull Man Yeah Okay
ปลาขวานะครับ
Double hookup again Hookup again double hookup Up together up Oh good Pump Come on One more time Up Hold it Okay Hold it Down Open the bell Okay good Wait Together No Okay Oh Double Okay Double hookup Well done guys Okay well done Okay go Pull the tail Pull inside Push Push Oh grab the tail Yeah Push Grab first Push Okay well done Let go Enough Okay one time Up Okay good Up Hold it
He's still fighting.
Come on, up. Hold it. Yes. Oh, the fish almost. Move over. Okay. See how you do it. One more time. Oh.ได้ไหม Yeah. No big. Same. Okay. Hold it. Towards him. Okay. ไม่ได้อะได้ป่ะไม่ได้sorry พอได้แล้ว After you come Yeah you see that once you turn the head you come back you turn it here you come right here one more time up hold it okay also hand side release oh look at that see 睇，睇，big。Oh, you get the fin, the dorsal fin, the side, that's why so heavy. Oh, it's big one.
Big one.
Yeah. No. The fin. Okay, go. Okay, go. Go. Come on. You don't go down. No, it's so straight. Heavy. The head. Go for the head. Hey. No, the head.
Push by the
The head. Take me around. Two hand. Yes. Come on. Well done. Okay. Go put down. Push down. Okay, go. Put your own bike. กินแน่ Well done. Up. Oh. Catfish. Oh. Okay. Almost. No. It's 99%. เอากินได้ดิแกไปนู่นเลยเฮ้ยใส่ดิ Yes. Okay. นี่โอ้โหน่าจะ5 ปอนด์ไม่เอาแม่เฮ้ยรับปีแล้วสิโอ้ย Okay, up right yourself. Yours, man. Oh. You've been helping him, he's so relaxed until when you release, shit. Now you forget. Come in the front a bit. Come in the front, okay. Come nearer, okay. Then do yourself. Your father. Yes. Up, hold it. Now. Oh, yes. Well done. Last fish. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, big one. Nice. Well done, guys. Okay, last fish. Wow, 25. Okay, push. Yeah. Come on, push together. Yes, push. Okay, high five together. Yeah, feel yourself. Yeah. Well done.